Hello, welcome to Through Your Reading Adventures. Today's story is How to Spot a Best Friend, written by Birdsong, illustrated by Lucy Fleming. Today, I will find a best friend, I announce. It's only the first day of school, Mama says. Finding a best friend might take a while. Sometimes Mama needs me to explain things. I can spot a best friend like that. I snap my fingers. How? She asks. A friend lends you a crayon. A best friend lends you a brand new, extra sharp green crayon, even if you're drawing a tree with 3,811 green leaves. A friend sits next to you when it's time for a story. A best friend holds your hand during the scary parts. A friend helps you build a block tower. A best friend helps you build it twice, even if she suspects there will be a third time. A friend dazzles you with a magic trick. A best friend whispers ways to make your own magic. A friend invites you to join a game of zombie tag. A best friend lets you be the tagging zombie, even if it's his turn to lurch. A friend swings on the swings with you. A best friend gives you a push. A friend plays ball with you. A best friend picks you to be on her team, even if you've never played before. A friend asks you to join his parade. A best friend asks you to help lead it. A friend claps politely when you win the spelling bee. A best friend is happy you won, even if she really wanted to win too. A friend tells you your shoe is untied. A best friend teaches you how to tie it. A friend listens. A best friend understands, even when you don't say much. A friend stands by you when things go wrong. A best friend stands up for you. And do you know the #1 guaranteed best way to spot a best friend? I asked Mama. What is it? She asks. You have to be a best friend too. The end. Thank you for reading with Through Your Reading Adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Till next time, goodbye.